Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to break down for you how you can block senders from sending you emails and notifications on Yahoo Mail. So let us get started right away. So if you'd like to block specific sender to send you email newsletters or emails in general here on Yahoo Mail, simply follow my instructions. Basically, all you need to do, guys, is head over to inbox and select the email from the email sender you'd like to block. So let me block that sender here for the sake of this tutorial. All you need to do, guys, is select the given email by checking that box here to the left. And after that, click on these three dots here at the top next to spam and select block senders from the drop-down menu. After that, Yahoo Mail will ask you for confirmation if you'd like to block senders from the given email below. So let me blur that email address for privacy reasons, of course. You will see an OK button here at the bottom to confirm the blocking or to block the sender. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you next time on our channel.